Hey guys, in this video, we're gonna be checking out the top 10 best bread loaf pans that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research. I have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 10, we have the USA Pan Bakeware Pullman Loaf Pan. We love that the pan comes with a 1-year warranty, which gives us the manufacturer's word for its durability. Moreover, we love the versatility that it offers. You can use the pan for baking other food like casseroles and meatloaves in addition to baking bread. The heavyweight raw material is not only effective when it comes to increasing its service life, but also the way it reduces the energy consumption by decreasing the baking time is incredible. The baking time is decreased due to the carbon steel body being capable of ensuring even heat distribution that leaves no cold hot spots. Apart from being durable, the pans are oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit and will not warp or dent when exposed to such high temperatures. Moreover, the nonstick coating that the pans feature helps with both food release and easy cleanup. You will not require to use any additional cooking oil to make it non-stick, making this a healthier choice. Moving on at number 9, we have the Amazon Basics Rectangular Non-Stick Bread Loaf Pan. This is a beautiful loaf pan from USA Pan. It is medium-sized with a heavy-duty aluminized steel construction, making it sturdy. The beautiful corrugated design not only makes the loaf pan unique looking, but also makes what you bake more beautiful with a firm texture. The pan comes with a lid, making it possible for you to keep the heat inside while baking. What is unique about this pan is that the pan is coated with Americoat. Americoat is a special coating that makes it easier for you to separate your baked food from the pan. Because of the coating, it is also easy to clean the pan. The coat is PTFE, PFOA, and BPA-free, which is good because they can be harmful to your body, especially a child's body. At number 8, we have the USA Pan Non-Stick Standard Bread Loaf Pan. This is yet another product from the USA Pan, featuring a similar design, except that it does not come with a lid. Being made in the USA, this pan is constructed from a combination of new and recycled aluminized steel, which makes it a greener option. The raw material for this 1-pound bread loaf pan also makes this more durable and resistant against bends and breaks. The pan also comes with Americoat, which is PTFE, PFOA, and BPA-free. Hence, you can bake your food without any toxic chemicals. Similar to the previously reviewed product, this also comes with a unique corrugated surface design that ensures even air circulation and quick release, allowing the bread to be baked with perfection. At number 7, we have the Rachael Bakeware Oven Lovin Non-Stick Loaf Pan. Rachael Ray's Oven Loving Loaf Pan is an exciting one to see. Immediately, the grip with the orange accent will catch your eye. It certainly looks more fashionable, but it's not all talk. It's made from heavy-gauge steel, so you know that it's hard and solid. It is non-stick, so it makes it easier for you to get your food out and clean, whether it is a loaf of bread, meatloaf, or anything else that you want to use it for. The pan can take heat up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit because of the durable construction. And what's thoughtful and helpful to our humanity is that a percentage of the cost of this pan will be given to charity for parents and children to have a healthy relationship with food. At number 6, we have the Wilton Non-Stick Loaf Pans. The loaf pans are simple and are just constructed to do its job. With the set of 2, these are non-stick pans, which are easy for baking and cleaning up. The pans have their dimensions permanently marked into the handles, giving you the information on the go and making it easy for you when baking your favorite recipe. The loaf pans are also dishwasher safe, so you save a lot of time and don't have to worry about washing it manually all the time. At number 5, we have the Tiawudi Non-Stick Carbon Steel Baking Bread Pan. Tiawudi has the best value deal the market has to offer to you, as it includes 3 pans in 1 pack. The pans are made up of heavy-duty carbon steel, which makes them super long-lasting, and you can use them without the worry of looking for alternatives. The raw material is also responsible for ensuring even heating for uniform browning. The non-stick coating of the pan helps with quick food release and will not require a difficult cleaning procedure as minimum residues stay stuck to the walls of the pan. The pans are also capable of withstanding high temperatures up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. At number 4, we have the Farberware Nonstick Bakeware Bread Pan. Farberware Nonstick Pan is just as the name suggests. They are nonstick, so it will be easier for you to take your baked food out after it's done. It also makes it easy for you to clean. With this loaf pan, you would also be able to make meatloaf. It is constructed from heavy-duty steel, making it harder to damage. This pan is oven-safe and can take heat up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit with any problem. But there's one issue, and that is, it's not dishwasher safe. Hence you have to manually wash it. The pan set features a rolled rim, which is significant when it comes to resisting warps. The edges will not deform when exposed to high temperatures and will be as good as new even after years of use. At number 3, we have the Nordic Ware Prism Loaf Pan. Nordic, with its very attractive light color pan, comes uncoated, which in turn means that you will be at no risk of consuming food that may contain harmful chemicals. The aluminum pan will not impregnate your food with dangerous toxins that the coating contains. The raw material is also responsible for maintaining an even heat division. The rims of the pan are made up of reinforced galvanized steel that effectively prevents warping even when exposed to high temperatures. Apart from all these, you need to be extra careful while washing this, as you cannot put this in a dishwasher. You will need to hand wash it using a mild detergent. At number 2, we have the Fat Daddio's BP 5639 Anodized Aluminum Bread Loaf Pan. Being ideal for both home and commercial kitchens, the pan from Fat Daddio's offers a multi-purpose use and can be used in versatile cooking methods. The pan can fit in a 3,6 and 8-quart pressure cooker and an air fryer of many different dimensions. Apart from its multifunctionality, it is made from 18-gauge anodized aluminum and does not come with any coating. Since it features no coating, you can consider this a safe option, as it does not pose the risk of releasing harmful toxins to the food that you are cooking even at high temperatures. You do not have to worry about it flaking, rusting, or peeling. And finally, at number 1, we have the Silicone Large Bread Pan Set. Silicone Designs have brought us pans that are made from, of course, silicone, but it's 100% food grade. That means it is not toxic and won't harm you when you eat, and won't contaminate the food while being processed. The silicone bread and loaf pan set comes with an ebook, which can be handy at times, giving you an idea of what you can do with the pans themselves. And it won't hurt the fact that you get 2 pans instead of 1, allowing you to bake more. There are many reasons as to why this pan would be good for your kitchen. It comes with no chemical coatings and is BPA free. It's non-stick, so you don't have to worry about your bread being stuck to the pan. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.